Force. A force is a push or a pull acting on an object. The SI unit of force is Newton. We use force to perform various day-to-day activities. We use force for every action of ours. Picking up a school bag, turning on the tap, and brushing our teeth are some example actions that require force. Examples of force are: first one, pushing; second, pulling; third, stretching; fourth, twisting; fifth, pressing; sixth, lifting. Types of forces. The force which acts only when in contact with object is called contact force. However, some force can act on object without physical contact. These are called non-contact forces. Force has following effects on the objects. First, force can make a stationary object move or make a moving object move faster. Example: a bullock cart can be moved by the effect of force. Second, force can slow down or completely stop a moving object. For example, a car can be stopped or slowed down by applying the brakes. Third point, force can change the direction of a moving object. For example, the resistive force by the wall can change the direction of the ball by hitting it. Fourth, force can change the shape or size of an object. For example, we get chapati by pressing the duff. Now we will discuss in detail about the contact force. Forces that act on objects by direct or indirect physical contact are called contact forces. These are of the following two types. Applied forces and friction are the examples of the contact forces. Applied force. The force that we use with our hands, legs, fingers, etc. are collectively called applied force. When we tie a stone to a string and suspended, the tension in the string opposes the force of gravity on the earth and keeps the stone from falling down. When we do the work with our hands, like lifting a weight or pulling an object, the force required is provided by the tension of our muscles.